Hi guys, I'm gonna start a series where I'm gonna talk about SilverStack Lab. So in this video, I will just show you how to open it and how to create a new project, and then I will go through the workflows every day. So I will open it up. Now, first of all, I'm just gonna show you that what version I am on. So I am on 9.1.5. If you are having any older version, it might be a bit different, but it's not gonna be very different. I have many projects, as you can see, because I work as a digital imaging technician most of the time. So to create a project, what you do is basically whenever you will open it will look something like this. It can be here or here or here, it can look anything like that. So to create a new project, you come right on top here and you go on create new project. And once you do that, first of all, it will ask you for the name. So let's say I will say this is a test project, and then I can simply come here. I can put the director name for the director, then the cinematographer, camera assistant, and everyone's name, producer, production, and location pin if you have, and then the logo here, because when you will make the report at the end of the shoot or at the end of every day, this logo will be in the reports, which makes you look a bit professional. So this is where you create your project. So let me just fill all the details. So I have roughly filled the details, and now to add the logo, what you do is you just go and you see, let's say I have my logo here. So I'll go on logo and I'll say this is my logo. It's DaVinci logo, but let's say this is the one. So I will say Command C to copy that. I will come here and I will simply Command V, and the PNG is there now. Now when I will make the report, it will be visible on that. So this is pretty much it about making a project or starting a project in SilverStack Lab. In next video, I will show you how to set up the folder structure, so you can just choose your offload drive and then it will automatically do the folders and everything for you, and you will not have to worry about anything.